Thank you for buying this floral riser from FixtureDisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 10043 on FixtureDisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put this unit together. You have the base hardware, 4 poles, and then the top. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, that's charliesam@FixtureDisplays.com. The assembly is fairly easy. You simply pick up the pole, and it is threaded on both ends. You want to work the screw through the bottom plate into the pole threads and fasten that. Because it is acrylic, you don't want to over tighten, just enough so it is attached properly. Likewise, you would do the same on the top. Now the 4 holes on the top is countersunk, so make sure you put them in the right orientation, so when the screw is fastened, the top is flat. The dimensions of the unit is 9 inches wide and 9 inches deep. The height is 24 inches. It weighs about 1.4 pounds. We now put it on a spinner to give you a 360-degree view of this product. It's a great riser. You can definitely put your flower arrangement on this, either in the center or on the top, or do both. You can position this on a banquet table, a reception desk, a wedding ceremony, or even you use this in church settings. The applications are endless. If you like this product, do leave a good feedback and seller review. Thank you.